60 days ago, I started a fresh YouTube Shorts channel, and my main goal was to get monetized in the next 4 months. In this video, I will show you exactly what I did to complete my milestone, and I will also share with you the results so that you can also apply all the methods to create your own successful channel. And in the end, I will also tell you a mistake that you must avoid in order to grow your channel, so buckle up. At first I was about to look for a well-performing niche on YouTube, but then I thought I myself create videos on viral niches, so why not picking a good niche from one of my own videos. So I started to dig deep in my own videos, and finally I found my niche. There are 4 things you need to check before picking a niche: how broad the niche is creating videos easy or not, the RPM of the niche, is this niche evergreen, meaning will this niche work in future or not. In my case, I already had a fellow YouTuber in the same niche I picked, and it was performing very well, so my motivation was at its peak, and the next step was to just picking channel name, logo, and a banner. I didn't want it to waste any time in this step either, so I simply used ChatGPT for my channel name and finally picked this name for my channel. Then for logo, I simply used Lexica AI, and I created a simple 3D village banner in Leonardo AI, and all this procedure took me literally 2 hours at max. At day 2 and 3, I did nothing. I just watched similar shorts to my niche so that YouTube algorithm can know a little about me and my interests. This step doesn't look much, but it's very important. Whenever you create a new channel, don't upload your videos on the same day. Instead, wait for 2 days and then start uploading. This little act will help YouTube algorithm to understand your interests. It was time to create and upload my first short. I used ChatGPT to get story scripts, and I used a simple image creation tool for visuals. To sum up everything, I did exactly as I teach in my videos, and then finally I uploaded my first short. But before revealing the results of my first short, take a look at what type of shorts I created for my channel.
A guy named Tom was always looking for easy ways to make money. One day, he spotted a wallet lying on the ground full of cash. Without thinking twice, he snatched it and hurried away. But as he turned a corner, he collided with a police officer. "Stop right there!" the officer shouted. Tom's heart raced as he was led to the station. Just when he thought...
So after uploading the short, I waited for 24 hours, and the next day when I checked my views, they were only 684. It felt kinda sad, but I ignored the views and uploaded another short the next day, and another 24 hours passed. The second short also got only 500 views, but something strange happened with first short. It literally crossed 10,000 views in 48 hours and gained about 40 subscribers, and I was just going to buy my Bugatti. I was heavily motivated, and then on the same day, the second short also got a boost, gaining 10,000 views. It was like a dream come true, and then I kept posting consistently for the next 4 days with almost each short getting similar views. It was all going good, but you are never satisfied with the results. No matter how good they are, we always want more. So after first week, I decided to upload my shorts at a different time. Before, I used to upload shorts at 5 p.m., and then I decided to upload at 11 a.m. in the morning, and that short flopped badly, and same thing happened again and again and again. I was feeling bankrupt. I was completely disappointed from the results. I was about to give up, but I still kept going, and I learned this the hard way, that messing with uploading time, especially in shorts, is something you should never do. I changed my schedule, and from 1 short per day, I decided to upload 1 short every second day, and I was again back with getting good views, with each of my shorts getting thousands of views, and 1 short crossing 17,000 views. And my every short was having this problem, where I get 10,000 views in first 24 hours on my every short, and then they just freeze. And to tell you, it's completely normal. Sooner or later, every short has to freeze. And then comes the day 60. I successfully completed my challenge and gained a total of 230,000 views, and I successfully completed my 1,000 subscribers. View count was also good, but still not enough to get monetized. And in the beginning, I told you about a mistake that you must avoid on YouTube. Never upload more than 1 short on YouTube per day. The strategy may work on Instagram and TikTok, but it won't work on YouTube, so make sure you just upload 1 short per day.